In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import custom fonts on CapCut. For that, first go to this website called dafont.com, and from here select any font that you want. For now, I want to install Gentle Hearts over here. Just click on download. Once downloaded, just double click on it and unzip it. After that, click on the folder and search for .ttf true type font file. Double click on it. I'm using Mac. Even if you are using Windows PC, the process will be same for you. And click on install. After it has been installed successfully, just go to CapCut. Close the CapCut app completely. Let's quit. Once done, reopen the CapCut app. Go to existing project or go to create project, and here if you import text over here in the timeline, then you will find some settings at the right. Here under font, click on the drop down menu, search for Gentle Hearts, find the font, and here you can see you can use it over here. So this is how you can import a custom font on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.